High in the Swiss Alps, perched on dramatic cliffs and surrounded by towering peaks, lies the peaceful mountain village of Mürren, a place that feels almost suspended between earth and sky. With no cars, no noise, and no rush, Mürren welcomes you with a silence so pure that you can hear the mountains breathe. The moment you arrive, carried by a train or a cable car, you feel the world below slipping away, replaced by crisp air and a sense of deep, grounding calm. The village is a picture-perfect collection of wooden chalets, each decorated with vibrant flowers that spill from balconies in the summer months. Narrow paths wind between the houses, leading to breathtaking viewpoints where the entire landscape opens before you. Mürren's charm is simple but powerful, a quiet beauty shaped by nature, tradition, and the rhythm of mountain life. Standing here, you're face to face with one of Europe's most iconic mountain trios, Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau. These colossal peaks dominate the horizon, changing colors throughout the day as sunlight shifts across their faces. At sunrise, they glow softly like waking giants. By sunset, they burn in warm shades of gold and pink. No matter how long you stay, the view never feels ordinary. For hikers and nature lovers, Mürren is nothing short of paradise. Trails lead you across rolling meadows dotted with wildflowers, past wooden barns and crystal-clear streams. In summer, the gentle sound of cowbells echoes through the fields, blending with bird song and the distant rush of waterfalls. In winter, the village transforms into a peaceful, snow-covered wonderland. Ski lifts glide silently up the slopes, and soft powder blankets the chalets, turning Mürren into a serene Alpine dream. Life here moves at a different pace. People greet each other kindly. Children play in open fields, and evenings are filled with warm light glowing from chalet windows. Sit outside at dusk, and you'll feel the mountains settle into stillness, their outlines fading into the blue of the night sky. It's a moment that reminds you how small and yet how deeply connected you are to the world around you. Mürren is not just a destination. It is an experience of peace, simplicity, and awe. It's a place where nature speaks louder than words, where time slows just enough for you to truly notice life's quiet details. And when you leave, looking back one last time at the jagged peaks rising above the village, you carry with you a feeling that stays long after the journey ends. Mürren is not simply a village on the map. It is a world above the world.